And we've got this revolver right here, guys, just in case something pops up. You got bears, mountain lions out here, kind of everything that can take you down.
So that's your backup.
What is the game plan?
We're just gonna kind of walk through it real slow. He's gonna kind of look and find stuff. He might chase some bird. If it's the right bird, we're gonna try to take it down.
Grit's pretty much our secret weapon out here.
Yeah. Right here we got some deer poop. That's a good sign. We just gotta cover some ground.
Just missed him, guys.
Did you see that right there? 25 yards.
Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Drop him. Look at that right there, guys. Good boy. Look at the end of it.
Look at that. We got a dove right here.
Knuckles, bro.
Heck yeah.